The mother of Ahmaud Arbery is speaking with News4Jax one day after Governor Kemp in Georgia announced he's backing a plan to overhaul the state's citizens arrest law. News4Jax reporter Brittany Muller spoke with Wanda Jones, who is praising Kemp's actions.
Ahmaud Arbery's mother says she's pleased to see Governor Kemp's support in reforming Georgia's citizens arrest law, a law that has been in place since 1863. His mother, Wanda Jones, says it's sad her son's death was the catalyst for change.
When this video was released in May, it shocked not only the Brunswick community, but the nation.
The measures that the McMichaels took said they were making a citizen's arrest. But clearly, they had not saw Ahmaud commit any crime at all.
Wanda Jones' son, Ahmaud, was running in the Satilla Shores neighborhood on February 23rd when authorities say the 25-year-old black man was pursued by Gregory and Travis McMichael and fatally shot. Tuesday, Georgia Governor Kemp called for reforms to the state's citizens arrest law.
Ahmaud was a victim of vigilante style of violence that has no place in Georgia.
Back in March, Waycross State Attorney George Barnhill told police the McMichaels acted in the scope of the state statute, which says a private person may arrest an offender if the offense is committed in his presence or within his immediate knowledge. In a letter to the Glynn County Police Department, Barnhill went on to say Travis McMichael fired his weapon in self-defense. After Barnhill reviewed the case, he wrote, "We do not see grounds for an arrest." But that's not how state investigators saw the case. 48 hours after the GBI opened its own investigation, it arrested both Travis and Greg McMichael. Later, the owner of a home Arbery was seen going into the day of his death told reporters there is no evidence Arbery stole anything from his property.
The citizens arrest law has been in place since 1863. Do you think that this law was rooted in racism?
I would have to say so. I would have to say that it was implemented because this is a civil war. This is the time that it was prejudice, it was racism without measures, and I'm thinking that it was put in place just for people that look like me.
Under Kemp's proposed legislation, he says it would close dangerous loopholes in the law, and the bill makes it more clear when a person, business owner, or police can detain someone committing a crime. The bill would allow security guards and store or restaurant employees to hold people who they believe committed a crime for up to an hour until police arrive. Deadly force would not be allowed unless it's in self-protection, protecting a home, or to prevent a felony.
Unfortunately, we lost Ahmaud, but Ahmaud is implementing change.
Next Tuesday marks the 1 year since the killing of Ahmaud Arbery. Ahmaud's mom says she's holding a candlelight vigil on February 23rd in Waynesboro, Georgia, where her son is buried. The family is asking people to wear a blue ribbon representing love, peace, and justice. Brittany Muller, Channel 4, the local station.